XRP just broke a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another XRP analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on XRP yesterday, we were testing that 49-cent support level, and I mentioned it's going to be extremely crucial for us to actually hold above these exponential moving averages for that continuation to possibly hitting that 56-cent resistance overall. You can see that we were hovering right above that level, but we did see a beautiful bearish engulfing candle break below that 47 cents, and now we are using this resistance as a confirmation for that retest. This is extremely bearish on XRP because of the fact that we had this beautiful bar formation, which I mentioned on the lower time frames as well, which I'll show you guys in a second. But as long as XRP continues trading below this 47-cent level, things are going to become extremely bearish. Of course, as long as we do see a bullish engulfing candle and actually start to hover above those exponential moving averages, things can change. But as of right now, we can't deny the fact that the bears are definitely in control. You can see that XRP tried to break above this resistance here at 50 cents. We saw 3 test confirmations and then that move to the downside, which was that opportunity for you guys to take that shorting opportunity. But if you look over here on the hourly time frames, you can see that this was pretty much a slow bleed to that bar formation. I mentioned this in yesterday's video that obviously on the hourly time frame we do have this bar formation, and if we do get a clean bearish engulfing candle to the downside, this bar formation will definitely be looking to complete. You can see we did get that bearish engulfing candle right over here. We saw multiple rejections on this resistance for these exponential moving averages, and once again you can see exactly how perfectly these exponential moving averages play. As soon as we broke below these exponential moving averages, we started to use them as resistance, and that was our confirmation to the downside, and you can see it pretty much just had a waterfall effect to that move. I was expecting a potential bounce here at 47 cents because of the fact that's pretty much where we saw that breakout formation, but I'm pretty surprised that XRP actually broke that support level, and now we are consolidating below that level once more. Of course, this doesn't mean that the bullish case scenario is over just yet, because as long as we are still above this overall support at 44, we still have a decent opportunity to continue pushing forward. But if we do see that move to the downside and we actually do end up breaking this 44, things obviously will be looking quite bearish. As of right now though, as long as we continue pushing above this 47 cents as resistance, this indicates the fact that XRP will be looking to retest its support. So it's going to be very, very important for the bulls to obviously come here and take control. We are oversold on the hourly time frames, and if we go ahead and look on the 4-hour time frames, you can see that we still have quite a bit of moves to go before we consider ourselves oversold. This is why it's very, very important to kind of pay attention to the hourly time frames first, because that gives you an indication of whether or not we're going to see a small pullback opportunity and then that continuation to the downside, so you can kind of look for those position entries from there. Of course, overall though, XRP, as long as we do continue holding above this 47, we're still eyeing that 56 cents because of the fact, looking at previous price analysis, that was that move to the downside, and we are still in this very large bar formation, guys. We can't exclude the fact that this large bar formation is definitely still at play on the 4 hours, and I have seen this before on Bitcoin, and things capitulated extremely fast. This was the same formation we saw over at 25,000, where Bitcoin dropped extremely fast within a few days. We are seeing the same sort of formation on XRP. If we do get that confirmation and we obviously break this 44 cents, you can see that that move to the downside will lead us over here, which is my overall level at 36, for that long opportunity to possibly retest that level and then that continuation higher. From the bullish case scenario though, of course, we still have quite a bit of room to go. That's why I'm mentioning the fact that if XRP can consolidate in between these ranges, we have a very nice possibility of continuing pushing higher to that 56 cents. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have